The RetraxONE? The Gator Recoil or LEER ROLLITUP? Perhaps the ROLLITUP or the Syneticusa? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 retractable tonneau covers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best retractable tonneau covers. The 5th product on this list is the RetraxONE M series. This is one of the best ways to keep your belongings safe and secure while you're on the go. With the double vinyl over aluminum design, this cover is virtually impenetrable, keeping your cargo safe from potential thieves. It has a patented contoured hinge design that allows for frictionless rotation, making it easy to open and close, even with one hand. And the torsion spring ensures that the cover retracts easily, so you don't have to struggle with it. Plus, the easy install clamp-on track design makes installation a breeze. Whether you're looking for security or convenience, Roll and Lock has you covered. What's great about this retractable cover is that it folds up into the smallest canister of any other type of retractable cover. It protects the truck bed cargo space by having a depth of only 7 1/4 inches and a housing top that is designed to minimize air resistance. When the cover is flipped open and closed, its movement is made easier and frictionless, while the contoured hinge design of the M series aluminum material, which creates a sturdy and rigid surface. And honestly, it looks super cool too. This premium cover is made from durable vinyl and aluminum, making it both strong and good looking. On top of that, this M series is also supported by our US-based customer service team and comes with a guarantee that is good for 3 years. Its pros are, it can be easily installed with a patented clamp-on track design, it has a patented latching mechanism, so you don't have to worry about security, and it has roll and lock coverage for 3 years. However, it may give off a sort of chemical smell that's difficult to ignore. Whether you're looking to keep your truck's contents safe and dry or just want to give it a sharp finished look, the Roll and Lock M series is a perfect choice. Up next in 4th place is the LEER ROLLITUP. Looking for a way to keep your valuables safe and sound without sacrificing style or sophistication? Then look no further than the LEER ROLLITUP. This sleek and stylish cover is weather resistant, so you can be on the go regardless of the day's forecast. The material is made of padded polymer bonded to aluminum panels that offer ultimate protection. You'll also love this retractable cover because of its design. It has a gloss black powder coat with flush, low-profile rails that give it a chic and modern look that will complement your truck's coat. Whether you're looking to protect your prized possessions from the elements or keep them safe from would-be thieves, this retractable cover literally got you covered. Another highlight of this product is the ease of use. Its lid can be effortlessly retracted in a matter of seconds thanks to the convenient pull strap and continuous tension spring that is included in the package. It pulls open using a pinch latch and securely holds the open or closed position. It also features full rear visibility and is easy to remove for full truck bed access. Its pros are, it looks great once installed and gives you full rear view access when driving. It has built-in adjustable trap tension that helps keep water out of your stuff, and it's made of thick and durable material. However, it may be quite complicated to install if you're not a handy person. The LEER ROLLITUP is a retractable tonneau cover designed for truck owners who want a secure cover that they can install in minutes and remove in seconds for full bed access. It's ideal for people who bring items that must not get wet at any cost. Still haven't found a retractable tonneau cover that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Syneticusa. This next unit is the ideal solution to ensure that your cargo is protected from the elements and remains dry. For starters, this tonneau cover can be locked in any position along its rails and features durable metal slats that are powder coated with a matte textured black finish. It protects against UV rays, plus it's waterproof, which means it has adequate protection against rain, snow, salt, and dust, allowing you to transport your luggage safely. You can have peace of mind knowing that your valuables are secure because the rack has the capacity to support weights of up to 500 pounds, provided that the weight is spread properly. This tonneau cover is the best answer for any situation where you wish to conceal your valuables from view or shield them from the elements. You'd also love that it's available in both hard and soft versions, so you can choose whichever suits your needs. The fact that this cover comes with a storage canister that is so small it only occupies 9 inches of the square area is one of the many reasons why many users love it. This means that you will still have plenty of room for all your goods and cargo. You can be confident that it will continue to serve you well for many years to come, thanks to the exceptional spiral track system that prevents the cover from coming into touch with itself as it opens and closes. Its pros are, it utilizes durable aluminum slats to keep your goods dry and safe, its solid slats support up to 500 pounds, and it has a convenient locking system where you can do so from any side of the cover. However, it's not 100% waterproof. So if you could throw in an extra layer of protection for your goods, that would be better. The Syneticusa aluminum retractable tonneau cover is perfect for those who have cargo that undergoes different sorts of elements when traveling. The second product on this list is the Gator Recoil. This product is another excellent choice for a retractable tonneau cover, mainly because of its convenient functionalities. It clamps into the side of the tonneau bed. You won't need a drill or any other special tools to install it, and the entire process just takes about 20 to 30 minutes. The quick release handle on the driver's side of the truck also makes opening the cover simple. What's even better is the fact that the durable aluminum slats are powder coated with a textured matte black surface to protect your valuable goods from scratches and corrosion. With this retractable cover, you can securely lock and stop the lid from one of 5 customizable positions, allowing you to keep different size cargo securely in place. Unlike other tonneau covers, this one does not protrude due to its low profile and sleek design, which can certainly complement the look of your truck. As mentioned earlier, unlatching this retractable tonneau cover is super easy and can be done by pulling on a handle that's conveniently located on the driver's side of the vehicle. To enter the truck bed and open the cover, you just need to manually move the retractable cover towards the cab, which will cause it to retract into a sleek and slim canister. Its truck bed cover also features 3 adjustable and intermittent locks, which enables users to create their own unique locking positions along the bed rail to accommodate a wide range of hauling requirements. Its pros are, it is very convenient to install even without any tools, it has a sleek design that looks good on trucks, and it has additional slats for security. However, without additional weather stripping, it leaks quite a lot at the tailgate end. The Gator Recoil retractable cover is ideal for those who usually travel alone and need a convenient way to manage their cargo. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals in each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top retractable tonneau cover is the RetraxONE MX 6481. This is a premium retractable tonneau cover made from a single polycarbonate sheet. It has a matte black finish that is resistant to scratches, making it the ultimate choice for your truck. This cover is stored within a canister attached to the front of the bed, as it is retracted back along a pair of metal support rails. Because the polycarbonate cover can resist temperatures ranging from -50 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit, it can be used in virtually any environment, regardless of the weather. This cover is designed to retract without using any moving elements, such as joints or hinges, other than the sealed ball bearings placed into the aluminum supports. This structure was accomplished through careful engineering, and it allows for a seamless retraction into the canister, which is around a square foot in size and has a length of about 3 feet. Thanks to its built-in locking system, you can also lock the cover in any position, which allows you to lock it fully closed, fully open, or anywhere in between. This locking mechanism also serves the purpose of a grip for the functioning of the lid. Another highlight of this product is its adaptability, which makes it stand out. The flexibility to lock the cover in place at any point along the bed makes it ideal for towing a fifth wheel, transporting bicycles, or stowing other equipment. On top of that, its rails can be fastened to the bed in any orientation, allowing free access to the T-slots on both the left and right sides of the bed. This will allow you to install any T-slot attachment on your vehicles, such as a ladder rack, tie-downs, and much more. When it comes to functionality and convenience, this is the way to go. Its pros are, its polycarbonate sheet is designed to withstand any kind of external factors that could damage your cargo. It has a reliable seal that keeps your goods safe even on rough roads. It is easy to install even if you're not very handy, and It is key locked in any position, providing maximum versatility and security for your cargo space requirements. However, it is not easily removable, which can be an issue if you're in a hurry unloading your cargo. The RetraxONE MX 6481 is a brilliant retractable tonneau cover that provides convenience and security for your cargo. It's recommended for those who like to go on outdoor adventures or haul loads in every season. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.